In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise or create a ticket in Freshdesk, whether you're a customer looking for support or an agent assisting someone. We'll break it down into two simple scenarios to make sure you know exactly what to do in each situation. First, let's dive into how customers can submit a ticket using the Freshdesk support portal. This is a straightforward process to ensure you get the help you need as efficiently as possible. The journey begins by accessing the support portal. Simply type the URL of your organization's Freshdesk portal into your browser's address bar. Typically, this will resemble something like yourcompanyfreshdesk.com. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either sign up or log in. If you're visiting for the first time, you'll want to click on Sign Up or Register. Here, you'll provide your name and email address, and follow any additional verification steps to create an account. If you're a returning user, the process is even faster. Just click on Login or use Single Sign-On if that feature has been enabled by your organization. Once you're logged in, it's time to submit a ticket. You'll find an option labeled Submit a Ticket prominently displayed, or you may see a plus icon that serves the same purpose. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to fill in the ticket form. Start with the subject. It's important to make this a concise summary of your issue. Then, move on to the description, where you'll describe your issue or request in detail. You might also see optional fields like your name, phone number, the type of query, and the ability to attach any supporting documents. Once you've filled out the form, click Submit. You'll then be redirected to a ticket status page where you can view updates or add replies as needed. Now let's shift our focus to agents who are manually creating a ticket on behalf of someone else. Begin by logging into your Freshdesk account and navigate to the Tickets section. You'll want to look for the New Ticket button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Now it's time to fill out the ticket details. Start by typing in the customer's name or email under Requester. If the customer isn't already in the system, you can add a new requester. Next, fill in the subject and description fields, ensuring you clearly outline the issue or request at hand. You'll also need to set other properties like type, status, priority, group, and agent, based on what's relevant for the situation. After all the details have been carefully entered, the final step is to click Create. This action finalizes and generates the ticket in Freshdesk, ensuring the query is queued up for resolution. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to raising or creating a ticket in Freshdesk, whether you're a customer or an agent. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any further questions.